The opposite of fiction, that's fact. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sambre'ell Night. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You feel me? Welcome back. Okay, so today's video is sponsored by FDX Hair on Amazon. They sent me a 18-inch bundle, 16, 14, also a 12-inch 4x4 closure. So we just gonna get right into the do. Okay, let's go. Okay, boom, we're getting right into this. First, why do I kind of look like Megan? But anyways, I'm gluing. I'm using bow hole to outline the lace and just makes it hold down a lot better. I then use the even spray in the black can just to give it that extra hold that it needs. And I let it dry for a little while, you know, a little fanning. Then I go in and I cut as close as I can get to my hairline as possible.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis. So
after cutting the cap, I kind of like map out where I want my closure to be. If I need to cut the lace some more, then I break it down some more. And after that, I just go with my foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330. Now I'm using bold hold again and I'm smoothing it out. I did 3 layers of this and I waited until it dried clear. Then I applied the closure. I don't know why I left a little piece of it like wasn't a full lace wig, but I just used the rest of the foundation on a sponge and just covered it up. I'm carefully putting the closure where I want it to be and pressing it in with my comb. Now I'm using hair glue to glue the closure down and I'm gluing around the perimeter of the closure. I also use the black even spray to spray my cap just to add a layer of protection for my hair. Okay, now I'm going in with the 18-inch screen starting at the back of my head. I am measuring it out, gluing it down, and I didn't have a blow dryer, so I just blowed it. I'm used to doing it like that. And I just placed it right where I wanted it to be. And I'm using the holding spray again to give it the extra hold. So I'm just repeating these same steps and trying to make a circular motion starting from the back of the closure to the side of my head. At this point, I knew I was running out of glue. I didn't know how I was going to make it. Now I'm using the 16-inch bundle and repeating the same steps. This is where I started to add the 14-inch hair and again making that circular motion to either way, like a loop almost. So cutting lace, you want to make a zigzag motion. You can use with scissors. I couldn't find my scissors, so I just used my razor. And I also, you see the like little gap right there. I added in another track just to make it blend better. I parted out my edges and I'm making a curved part. I'm trying to make it straighter than what it was, which I did go back in and straighten it some more. I'm using this wax holding stick. I'll put the name on the video. And I just combed it over, and I didn't have a hot comb, so I used my flat iron to just get it as fast as possible as I could.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Honey, I was so afraid to burn myself. I have to get like the mini curls line, like the 1 inches. I have to get that. I'm using Gorilla Snot to lay the edges down. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Turned out really pretty. I cleaned up the little glue right there and put the edges a little bit more. So soft, y'all. Yes, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much again, FDX Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending me these hair to review. More videos like these coming soon, so stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on for the next upload, honey. And without change, I was finna go and say I love you.